Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage. Today, guys, another big giant storm blasted Michigan. As you can see, we already got 3 inches and we're supposed to get a few more inches of snow. There's almost no one on the road. The roads are covered in snow. You can't even see the driveway. The houses are covered in snow. The yards are covered in snow. I hope you guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe. And yes, guys, another massive snowstorm hit Michigan. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe while it's freezing out here. Bye.